Have you ever wondered what an advanced persistent threat is? Well, let's delve into it. In the realm of cybersecurity, an advanced persistent threat, or APT for short, is a term you'll frequently encounter. Unlike the typical smash-and-grab cyber attacks we often hear about, an APT is a different beast altogether. It's a sophisticated, meticulously planned, and long-term cyber attack. This isn't some random hacker having a go. This is a well-orchestrated attack often targeted at large organizations, even countries. Imagine a silent intruder, lurking in the shadows of a network, undetected for months or even years, slowly gathering information or causing damage. That's the level of persistence and advanced tactics we're talking about. So, if you thought that all cyber attacks are quick and short-lived, think again. Now that we know what an advanced persistent threat is, it's time to delve deeper into its anatomy. Advanced persistent threats, or APTs, are not your average computer viruses. They are meticulously planned and executed, often by well-resourced entities. Let's break down their anatomy into three main stages: reconnaissance, incursion, and discovery. The first stage, reconnaissance, is akin to a thief casing a house before a burglary. The cyber criminals will study their intended target, identifying weak spots in security defenses, and gathering as much information as possible. For instance, they might learn about the software you use, the layout of your network, or even the habits of your employees. It's a quiet, stealthy operation, akin to a cat stalking its prey. Next comes the stage of incursion. This is when the actual breach of security happens. The cybercriminals, armed with the knowledge gained during the reconnaissance stage, launch their attack. They might use techniques like phishing emails or malicious software to gain access to the system. It's like that thief finally picking the lock and stepping inside the house, undetected. The final stage is discovery. At this point, the cybercriminals are inside the system and they begin to navigate their way around. They might establish additional points of access to ensure they can return later, even if their initial entry point is discovered and closed. They start to gather the valuable data they came for, be it personal information, intellectual property, or sensitive business data. It's as if the thief, now inside the house, starts rummaging through drawers and safes, gathering valuables. Throughout all these stages, the key characteristic of an APT is its persistence. The attackers are patient, willing to spend a considerable amount of time to ensure their mission is successful. They remain undetected, slowly infiltrating deeper into the system, and they're often difficult to remove once discovered. As you can see, advanced persistent threats are complex, multi-stage cyber attacks. It's clear that advanced persistent threats are serious business, but what is their impact? These threats can lead to a multitude of grave consequences. For starters, they often result in significant data breaches. Confidential information, be it personal details or corporate secrets, may end up in the wrong hands. This can lead to identity theft, intellectual property theft, and other forms of cybercrime. Next, there's the financial fallout. Cleaning up after an advanced persistent threat can cost millions, if not billions, of dollars. From the immediate expenses of system restoration to the long-term costs of lost business, the financial impact can be staggering. Moreover, the reputation of the affected organization can take a severe hit. Trust once lost is hard to regain. And let's not forget that these threats can lurk undetected for years, silently wreaking havoc. The effects of an advanced persistent threat can be far-reaching and long-lasting. Let's recap what we've learned about advanced persistent threats. These are stealthy and continuous computer hacking processes, often orchestrated by individuals or groups targeting a specific entity. An APT is not a simple one-time attack, but rather a long-term campaign that relentlessly pursues its objectives. The process unfolds in stages. It starts with reconnaissance, where the attacker gathers information about the target. Next comes the incursion phase, where the threat breaches the network. Then, the attacker establishes a foothold, remaining undetected while exploring the system. The extraction phase follows, where valuable data is stolen, and finally the obfuscation stage, where tracks are covered. The impact of an APT can be devastating. It can lead to significant financial losses, damage to reputation, and even potential legal implications. Knowledge is our best defense. By understanding what an APT is, we can better protect ourselves and our networks. And that, in a nutshell, is what an advanced persistent threat is all about. Stay safe and stay informed. Thank you for watching our video on advanced persistent threats. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on various cyber threats and their prevention. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our new releases, Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.